праздником вас! С Днем Победы! Ура!
Ukraine suffers yet another defeat in the Donetsk region, as Russia has successfully captured a strategic stronghold in the Donetsk. April started with a devastating defeat for Ukraine, as the Russian army destroyed Ukraine's major supply bridge in the Zaporizhia. These strategic strongholds were utilized by Ukraine to attack Russian troops. However, after weeks of constant battle and bloodshed, Russia has conquered Ukraine and has gained ground. With the use of artillery and a highly sophisticated aerospace force, the Donetsk region was captured. More than 2 years in this military operation, Western weapons seem to be failing Ukraine. Is there any hope of this ending soon?